Hello, we are going to realize the installation with the workbench. The tool packaged in the produce country, then shipped to the country import. Then we hand the package of the workbench, one box, and another box to the factory. And be careful, it may drop. It's the accident, and people will get injured. So be careful with the dropping issue. I saw it once. No one get hurt, but the machine damage very serious. Of course, there is a insurance to deal with it, but it takes another long time to repair with the workbench. So it's very dangerous to take care of it. Then at the fab, we need to connect body 1, body 2, body 3, because the workbench is so big. Before shipping, separate too many periods of the body, so we have to connect it at fab, and we use the leveler to make it at the same level, then connect. And after connecting correctly, we mount the body with the damper to avoid the earthquake. It's very often happening at the Asia area of the earthquake. So I have to use the damper to mount the machine to reduce the vibration. Then we have the high HEPA. We call it filter, the air filter. High capability air filter installation to the bench. To avoid particle affect the process inside. We have to avoid it very carefully. The particle issue we talked about before is very seriously. And then it's the bench. We sucking the fresh air through the HEPA This is the HEPA, high performance filter. Through a HEPA into the bench, and it produces chemical gas with processing tank filled a lot of chemical. So have to, for example, this is the acid chemical period. We have to exhaust to vent acid gas. This is the valve with manual control and solenoid control. We vent the acid gas to facility to neutralize it, to clean gas and purge to the atmosphere. The same way, this is alkali gas we vent. This is alkali area. We vent the gas, chemical gas, to the facility to deal with it. And this is the ENO vent we talked about last time. Normally, this acid gas, we have the gas density meter here to monitor the chemical density. But if we have the hazard gas, we have installed the digital hazard gas meter to monitor it to avoid people injured or fire accident. If the hazard gas meter detect too high ppm to run, the ENO vent will vent all hazard gas out to avoid injured and fire accident. Then we do the roll bar position teacher teach. This is the roll bar. This is a roll bar on. This is the wafer. This is the tank. The roll bar have to take out the wafer at very correct position and move to the next station also very correctly, very precisely. So we have to do the roll bar position teach. Even is done at produce country, still have to verify to confirm the position again. Then about the base or the tank, wafer, chemical, sensor here. We have to test to verify it is works and it is correct. We test and verify the temperature control, the chemical liquid flow rate control, and if it is leaked, and the level sensor condition, and inside the liquid volume. We have to measure it and test it to verify if it is working and correctly. Okay, that's all. See you next time.